The all-new 2026 Honda NT1100 is finally here, and it might be one of the most surprising touring motorcycles of the year. At a starting price of around $11,999 US, Honda is offering a machine that combines long-distance comfort, modern technology, and everyday practicality in one impressive package. But does it really deserve the hype? Stay with us because the answer might surprise you. At first glance, the 2026 NT1100 looks sharper and more premium than ever. Honda has refined the fairing design, improved the wind protection, and updated the LED lighting to give the bike a more aggressive touring appearance. It feels like a motorcycle designed to eat up highway miles while still looking sporty enough to turn heads wherever it goes. Powering the NT1100 is Honda's proven 1084 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering strong low-end torque and smooth acceleration. Whether you're cruising on the highway or overtaking traffic, the engine feels effortless and refined. Honda also improved the low and mid-range performance, making the bike even more enjoyable for real-world riding situations. One of the biggest highlights is the famous DCT automatic transmission. Riders around the world continue to praise Honda's dual-clutch transmission for its smooth shifting and stress-free riding experience. Many owners say it completely changes the way they enjoy long-distance touring, especially during heavy traffic and extended road trips. Technology is another area where the NT1100 shines. The motorcycle comes equipped with a 6.5-inch TFT display, smartphone connectivity, cruise control, heated grips, multiple riding modes, and advanced rider assistance systems. These features make the bike feel much more expensive than its actual price tag suggests. For touring enthusiasts, comfort is everything, and Honda clearly understands that. The upright riding position, large fuel tank, adjustable windscreen, and spacious panniers make the NT1100 a true long-distance machine. Some riders even claim it is one of the most comfortable motorcycles they have ever ridden for cross-country travel. However, the bike is not perfect. Some taller riders report noticeable wind buffeting at higher speeds, while others feel the NT1100 is a little too sensible compared to more aggressive sport touring rivals. But for riders seeking reliability, comfort, and practicality, those compromises may be easy to overlook. So, is the 2026 Honda NT1100 worth buying? With a starting MSRP of approximately $11,999 US, premium touring features, proven Honda reliability, and one of the best DCT systems available today, the answer is a strong yes. But here's the real question. Would you choose this comfortable touring machine over a more expensive adventure bike? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to watch until the next comparison because the results might completely change your mind.